Army Aviation and the artillery of the Zapad Group of Forces have resulted. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the attacks launched by Army Aviation and the artillery of the Zapad Group of Forces have resulted in the neutralization of the Ukrainian units from the 92nd Mechanized Brigade near Novoselovskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. Over 25 Ukrainian personnel, 1 armored fighting vehicle and 2 motor vehicles have been eliminated. 3 Ukrainian fighting vehicles equipped with Grad MLRS have been neutralized near Volchansk of Kharkov region. In the Krasny Liman direction, the artillery attacks and successful offensive operations conducted by the units of the Center Group of Forces have resulted in the neutralization of the Ukrainian units from the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade near Karamzinovka of Lugansk People's Republic and Serebryanskoye Forestry. The enemy has lost over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 6 armored fighting vehicles and 1 D-30 howitzer. In total, 381 airplanes, 206 helicopters, 3,001 unmanned aerial vehicles, 402 air defense missile systems, 7,719 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,003 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 3,981 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8 units of special military.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.